All right, today's just going to be a calculator lesson. I'll probably show you the calculator, then I'm going to show you by hand what to do. If you look at the question to do now, this morning, it says the expression 2 to the third power times 2 to the second power equal to 2 to the fifth power, justify your answer. Okay, so if you look here, it says, get my pen working here. It says, use black, 2 to the third power times 2 to the second power equals, then you calculate 2 to the fifth power and type that equals. So a lot of people have trouble putting the equation into the calculator. So what you do is you look at the number 2 right there. You're going to hit that. You're going to punch that real quick. So you're going to 2. Oh, doesn't work on there. So I guess I hit it. So it's 2. And then this little arrow facing upward, you hit that. And then you're in the power mode. Then I will hit 3. Go to 3, hit that. And then you can go to this arrow. And you're going to punch that real quick. And then you're going to hit times. That's right there. So times. Go back to 2. 2. That little arrow going up again. Hit that. Arrow to the second power. And you hit enter. You should get 32. Okay. So 2 to the third times 2 to the second should give you 32. And so give you 32. Now if you type in 2 to the fifth power, so 2, keep forgetting, it doesn't work on my computer. So 2, and then you hit that arrow up there again, and then to the fifth power, and you hit 5, and then you hit enter, and you should get 32. And it says its expression 2 to the third power times 2 to the second power equal to 2 to the fifth power. Justify answer. Then you put yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal because 2 to the third times 2 to the second is equal to 32. And 2 to the fifth power is equal to 32. 32 equals 32. That's the definition of equality. So they are equal. And that's it. Now I'm going to show you the formative assessment, which a lot of people had trouble putting that in the calculator. So this is your formative assessment. So what I'm going to do, I have equations here. I'm going to clear it out. There's a couple of ways of doing it. I'm probably going to go through several ways. I'm going to go through the y equals method. So you hit the way I clear the calculator. You go to clear, clear. And first step, you're going to go to y equals. And then if you notice my calculator is filled with stuff. So I'm going to go back to the clear button. So I'm going to clear that, scroll down, clear, get rid of the clutter. And then in your calculator, you're going to first punch in 4. Then that's going to be x right there. The several ways to write x. You go alpha x, or you can just hit this. It's just easier hitting that. It says to the 1/2, so you hit that arrow right there. And the way I'm going to do it is particular because I want it to look like exactly like the equation that we did earlier. I want to make it look like this. So I'm going to hit alpha, and then alpha y equals. And it's going to put you in this weird mode here. And you click on the first one, and it puts you in fraction mode. So you hit 1. Then you got to hit the arrow down. Then 2. Be careful. This is very sensitive. So you're going to have to hit the arrow to the right once or twice because it didn't go down. It has to be directly next to the equation. And it says plus. So you hit plus right there. And then x. So you should go back to x right there. So it's x. and then you hit that arrow again. So the arrow goes up to 0, 0 power, which is right here, 0. Then you're still in that exponent mode, so make sure you click to the right. So you make sure you click to that right there. And then you're going to hit plus again. Plus, and then X. So go here, hit the X. Hit that arrow up there again. And then you want it to look like that fraction, look like there's a negative in front. So be careful of that. I didn't see that this morning and threw my answer off. So you're going to hit alpha. You're going to hit alpha. And then you're going to hit y equals. And then the fraction is right there again. So you hit that. And then you're going to hit that negative number. And then you're going to hit 1. And then down, and then you're going to hit 4. Okay? So after that, after you punch in that equation, you're going to hit second function, which is right there, second function, and then graph. Uh-oh, see, these things got commercials to it, so let me back out. Because if you take too long, you're going to go to a commercial. All right, let's see, where am I? I said go second function, graph. Okay, just put me in that mode, which I don't want. Let's try it again. Second function, graph. That's what I want. I want that right there. Okay, now it says x equals 16. So you see that x function right there. You scroll down to where it says 16. And your answer should be 17.5. Now, another method that you could do, you could substitute, which whatever x is, you could put 16. So okay, so it would be 4, 16 times 1/2 plus 16 to the 0 power plus 16, put that in parentheses, to the negative 1/4. Now, I'm going to clear it out of the calculator. I'm going to do it in the regular mode. So second function, I'm going to hit, I forgot to, you hit second function, then mode. And it should clear you out. And then you just plug and chug. So first you hit 4. You hit 4, open parentheses, 16. And then you hit that arrow going to the top right there. And then you hit second alpha, where it says alpha right there. You hit that button. Y equals. And then he put you back in that, you hit that fraction mode again. Then you hit that 1/2. Make sure you scroll over. Make sure you scroll over until you're out of the fractions. Then you hit plus. Then I'm going to put the 16 in the parentheses. So 16. Close the parentheses. So these are the parentheses right there. And then I'm going to hit that arrow going up. So you punch the arrow going up. Hit 0. Then make sure you hit that arrow going out. Make sure you're next to it right here. And then plus. Plus is right there. Then I'll put open parentheses. 16. Close the parentheses. Then hit that arrow going up again. Then go to alpha. Y equals. That fraction again. The first one. So you just click on that. And then you're in fraction again. So make sure you use this negative right here because it's a negative exponent. So negative 1. And then over 4. And then if you notice, again, 17.5. That's just another way. And then I'm going to do it one more way. I'm going to do it by hand. So, see, this is going to be 4, 16 to 1/2. That is also 4. plus 16 to the 0 power, that's 1, plus, now 16, let's unclear that. It's going to be 16 to the negative 1 over 4. We'll put 7 by accident. Let's clear that. 16 to oh boy. Alright, that's right. 16. Get in exponent mode. Alpha y equals. Get to that fraction. Negative 1/4. And you hit enter. That should give you 0.5. And if you don't know what 0.5 is, you can put it in fraction, but it doesn't really matter because you put it in the calculator. So let's put 0.5 here. Equals 4 times 4 plus 1 plus 0.5 will give you, again, 17.5. Hope this helps. And if you have any questions, either you talk to me in the chat, or I could set up more tutoring sessions. So let me know. All right. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Bye.